Hey, Jake, it's the weekend. What do you usually do on your days off?
Hey, Emma. On my free days, I like to relax and do things I enjoy. Sometimes, I sleep in and take it easy. What about you?
That sounds nice. I usually start my free day with a good breakfast and some exercise. I love going for a morning jog.
That's a great way to start the day. I should do that more often. After your jog, what do you like to do?
After exercising, I usually read a book or watch a good movie. If the weather is nice, I like going out for a walk.
That sounds peaceful. I love watching movies too. What kind of movies do you usually watch?
I enjoy comedies and adventure movies. They help me relax. What about you?
I'm a big fan of action and sci-fi movies. I could watch them all day.
Nice. Do you ever go out with friends on your free days?
Yes, if I'm not at home, I like meeting friends for coffee or going to the park. Sometimes we go bowling or play basketball.
That sounds fun. I also enjoy spending time with friends. We usually go to a cafe or go shopping together.
Shopping? I'm not a big fan of shopping, but I do enjoy trying new restaurants. Do you like eating out on your free days?
Yes, I love trying different foods. Sometimes, I go out for dinner or get takeout and eat at home.
That's great. On some weekends, I like to cook at home. It's fun to try new recipes.
Oh, that's interesting. What do you like to cook?
I like making pasta dishes and grilled chicken. What about you? Do you cook often?
Yes, I love baking. On my free days, I like making cakes or cookies.
That sounds delicious. Maybe one day you can bake some cookies for me.
Haha, sure. What about outdoor activities? Do you like hiking or going to the beach?
Yes, if the weather is nice, I enjoy hiking. It's a great way to get some fresh air and enjoy nature.
That sounds amazing. I love the beach, especially in the summer. I could spend the whole day there.
Same here. The beach is perfect for relaxing.
So, if you had the perfect free day, what would you do?
I'd wake up late, have a big breakfast, watch a movie, and then meet friends for dinner. What about you?
I'd start with a morning jog, have brunch with friends, and spend the afternoon at the beach or shopping.
That sounds perfect. Well, I hope you enjoy your next free day.
You too, Jake. Maybe next time, we can plan a fun day together.
That's a great idea. See you soon.
See you.